Introducing first, accompanied by Troy Madden. He is your beach master, Randers. And introducing next, saving a life near you,
after a month away due to a violent retroflexion
and making his way to the ring, the Honorable Malcolm Phlex.
Another former champion involved in this match.
And introducing me, he is your SOS Pro Wrestling champion, Derrick
Bet your buddy found his way letting everyone come back. See what's on the Randers. Oh, come on. Got a long way to go, Carl.
The top prize here on the SOS Island.
Yoink.
Y'all ready? Right out the gate.
I knew this was going to be complete carnage, but not this quickly. Rasslehoff taking it to Derrick Jaws. Randers trying to choke the life out of Malcolm Phlex. I love it.
The smaller competitors aiming their sights on the bigger men in the match smartly.
Very wise tactics here in the opening moments as Derrick Jaws runs into nothing but a double stop from Rasslehoff on the apron.
Randers and Phlex fall into the outside here. Kawada kicks here by Casey Rasslehoff.
It's actually cold water kicks.
Ooh. Cool water kicks.
Casey Rasslehoff. No way!
Fireman's carry by the lifeguard.
Hey, Malcolm Phlex is a fireman's carry of his own going on outside the ring, but Rasslehoff and Randers both sent to the hardest part of the island ring.
Rumors have it anyway.
Oh, this leaves not one, but two big, meaty men.
Oh, we're gonna be having some meaty men slapping meat.
There you go, what's for dinner?
Oh. Hey, before the Haas fight could tee off, both Casey Rasslehoff and Carl Randers have inserted themselves back into the match.
Letting the big boys know they are still very much alive and kicking. But shoulder first to the corner goes Malcolm Phlex. That's a double drop kick from Rasslehoff and Randers.
Both men thinking the same thing with those stereo drop kicks.
I think you called it, Beak, the smaller of the four combatants. These two had realized they have to team up to take out these giants. Randers and Rasslehoff, you never know what's going to happen in these multi-combatant matchups. You never know who's going to make a temporary alliance, and then the key word there is temporary, because only one of these combatants can walk away champion.
Assisted injury by Casey Rasslehoff right to the side of the head of our current champion, Derrick Jaws. Randers and Casey Rasslehoff discussing strategy. Oh.
Now you should have saw that one coming. Randers only going to allow teamwork to go so far.
something of Derrick Jaws, but Jaws struck by headbutt.
Jaws thinking now. Looking for a big power bomb. Casey Rasslehoff catches him and finishes the play. Hooks the leg. Rolls out of the way of that boot. Does Rasslehoff realizing he had no choice? It's the ropes. It's the ropes again. Third time. Catches him. What a DDT!
Satellite tornado DDT flicked him right on his head. And Casey Rasslehoff, oh, we almost had a new champion here.
Ramos only gets it.
Strength on display by the Honorable Malcolm Phlex.
Just pressing Casey Rasslehoff over his head and driving him to the mat.
Like it was absolutely nothing.
Like nada.
Malcolm Phlex back on the island, and like we said before, he's looking to claim the title he relinquished. Oh, but Rasslehoff, the original holder of the Golden Wilson, the winner of the Island Rumble, looking to say he's the rightful heir to the gold, but no!
Oh, scoop and power slams. But Derrick Jaws at the last moment grabbing the ankle of Malcolm Phlex.
Holding on to that title for just a little bit longer, possibly, as in the ring, Randers taking the boots to Casey on the floor. Derrick Jaws and Phlex away from Jaws and Phlex stand close to each other. They might want to keep better eye on the action in the ring.
Randers driving that head into the back, into the spine of Casey Rasslehoff. Looking for that pinfall, Cody.
2.5. Automatic disagreeing with the referee, but whether he likes it or not, this matchup continues. Fatal four-way. Casey Rasslehoff dumps the former champion to the apron. Back first goes Carl Randers.
That was a nasty, nasty landing.
Oh, and this is one of those get the fuck out of the way moments.
Casey Rasslehoff looking for these Hoffa maniacs, but no. Turns around and gets splatted for his trouble.
Parted the Red Seas only to be sent down to the mat face first. Very close, but not enough. As this action is pouring all over the island, on the floor, Derrick Jaws and Carl Randers in the ring, Malcolm Phlex and Casey Rasslehoff. As Rasslehoff fights his way out of that one, sends Phlex to the floor.
Casey looking to take flight once again. Oh!
Taking out both the big meaty men. Let's go, Rasslehoff! This is your main event. This is your last time to get loud.
Rasslehoff dumping Carl Randers back in the ring.
And Rasslehoff might be moments away from claiming the SOS Pro Wrestling title.
Rasslehoff taking flight, but no Troy Maddox up on the apron.
God damn it.
Momentary distraction. Carl Randers was able to take advantage of it.
There's no disqualifications in these fatal four-way matchups. Carl Randers now laying in boot.
Discus headbutt by Carl Randers.
Deep leg hook. Another near fall in this main event here at SOS when nature calls.
Oh, overhand shot.
Randers thinking about that reverse grab. The Kokomo crab, if he can get this in, it could be over.
And over here and making his way into the ring is one Malcolm Phlex, driving his foot through the face of Carl Randers.
For that one, the first one, but not so lucky the second time around.
Dumps him like a sack of potatoes.
Double eats him across the ring here. Has him up. Busts him down, spine first. Is this it for Carl Randers? No, that was too close.
Only inches away from Malcolm Phlex reclaiming the title he never lost.
Phlex now has him up into fireman's carry, and the airplane spin has begun. Down to one hand, and looking to put him to sleep.
He locks that forearm and big biceps around the neck of Carl Randers, and Randers is slowly fading away.
Keep your eyes on Derrick Jaws as he boots the face of the Honorable Malcolm Phlex, the champion, still very much in this main event.
Big headbutt.
Derrick Jaws stomping away on Phlex in the corner. Right now, the only combatant in this matchup standing tall is Derrick Jaws, and he's fish hooking him.
Oh, he's not done yet, Cody.
He's looking for the greatest catch here. Damn, sends his opponents head first into each other. Rasslehoff down, Randers down. That leaves Phlex and Jaws for the moment.
Some basic speed frenzy now here by Derrick Jaws.
Oh, we're gonna need a bigger boat.
Sharknado by Derrick Jaws.
Now Randers being set for the ride.
Oh! Can he do that to Phlex?
Jockeying for position. Both these big men know what's on the line. They know they have to bring it right now.
Big hoss battle here, ladies and gentlemen. Oh! Answering back with a headbutt of his own is Derrick Jaws.
Some huge headbutts that'll put a smile on the face of Phlex as these two big men are going at it.
Meaty men slapping meat.
In the corner goes Derrick Jaws, follows through does Malcolm Phlex. Sends him to the ropes. Phlex puts him up. Samoan drop.
Right in the center of the ring, but no, Derrick Jaws is back
on his feet. Beak, are you kidding me? But Phlex is also back up.
Big spinebuster delivered by Malcolm Phlex.
Oh, and the straps are coming down.
Back in.
Randers vicious with those headbutts. Phlex taking it to Randers in the corner. Derrick Jaws slowly making his way to his feet. Rasslehoff is on that top rope, but Jaws spotted him a mile away.
Getting up there on that second rope.
Oh, but Malcolm Phlex sees the opportunity. Malcolm Phlex wants to play. Tower of Doom. Randers out of nowhere with a big splash. Randers. Oh.
Phlex able to stop the pinfall at the last second.
Devon took this one home. I don't think there's timeouts. No problem.
Randers trying to reason with Phlex here. This crowd letting Randers know how they feel about him.
Not shy at all of the Islanders here in SOS. Has Malcolm Phlex with a huge right to the face of Carl Randers. And Big Phlex might be moments away from reclaiming the SOS Pro Wrestling Championship.
He's calling his shot here, Cody.
Phlex fighting his way to Randers, or fighting his way through, but Randers fighting his way out of it, and Randers just hit Phlex right in the...
That's where that no DQ situation comes into play. Oh, Randers is driving his both feet in the sternum of Derrick Jaws.
I gotta give him credit, Beak. I thought Randers was done.
The man knows how to persevere, Cody.
But so does Casey Rasslehoff. As Casey Rasslehoff is looking to climb the top ropes, looking to get a little air here tonight.
Oh, but once again, Troy Maddock inserting himself into the match.
Damn it! Troy Maddock drops him down. No! I can't believe it. Troy Maddock proving the numbers game were exactly what Carl Randers
And
needed.
here's your winner, a new SOS Pro Wrestling Champion. He is the Beast Master, Carl Randers. Let me correct myself.